functional groups. And I told you IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds with functional groups. Okay. Functional groups like halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Nitro, nitroso, and ether are considered as substitutions instead of functional groups and are written as secondary prefixes. Please write down. Remember this thing. Oh, again, I'm saying, I'm sorry. Today I'm late because I had some problem. Now see, suppose you have taken here CH3, Br, CH2, see, here bromine is a functional group, but here we are not going to consider as functional group. I told you how to remember. A secondary suffix. Achha, now, in this group today, we have one new student is there. So he will not have any idea. So let me spend 5 minutes for him. See. See, whenever we write the name of the functional group, name of organic compound name consists of 5 parts. We call it secondary prefix, primary prefix, word, root, then primary suffix, primary prefix, then word root, then primary suffix, secondary suffix. Then this secondary prefix stands for substitution. That is which is appeared outside the main chain. Primary prefix, if the compound is cyclic, we write cyclo. Word root depends on the number of carbon atoms in the main chain. Primary suffix, if the compound is all having single bond, or we call it saturated, we write ANE. If it contains double bond, then we write ENE. And we write YNE if it is containing triple bond. Most of you know it. Only one person has recently joined for writing. And secondary suffix is functional group. So Rani, please write. Net is very bad today. So now, so again I'm coming now. CH, CH2, CH3, Br. So let me write here secondary prefix, primary prefix, then word root, primary suffix, and secondary suffix. So how many carbon it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write now here bu. Then though it is a functional group, but for halogen we don't write it here, we have to write it here. So now we'll go for numbering. So numbering has to be done from that side, from where it is nearest. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Because if I do from here 1, 2, 3. So 2 is less than 3. So we'll write down here 2 bromo. This compound is not cyclic, does not have double bond or triple bond. Okay. Though it's a functional group, but as per rule, we cannot write it here. We'll leave it like this. So name is 2 bromo butane. And it is a single word, so there should not be any gap. It is very simple. Right. Okay. Now next one. So it is this. These are all simple thing. See here. So you always have to find longest chain. If you do go by this 1, 2, this type of thing will be given to confusion. We always count this chain horizontally. No, it can be in any direction. So 1, 2. Now you see 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. So if I consider this is to be the main chain, so 1, 2, 3. So you have substitution here on second carbon as methyl and second carbon as bromo. So what will be the name? The name will be here main chain has how many carbon? 3. It is pro. And what is how many substitution we have on second carbon? We have methyl and bromo. So we have to write alphabetical order. So it will be bromo again 2 hyphen methyl. So the name is 2 bromo 2 methyl propane. Okay. Now let us take 2 examples. This is one example, and other one is this. So how to name them? Most of you know how to name. See, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it is pent. Now numbering, again numbering has to be done from the with the wherever side is lowest. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have substitution starts on third carbon from right, and if I start from left hand side, it is on second carbon. So numbering has to be done from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So the name will be, and whenever we write, we have to write not on the basis of number, but on the basis of alphabet. So I have to start with Briar, then with Lord. So it is 3 bromo 2 chloro. The name is 3 bromo, sorry, small letter, 2 chloro pent. So now let us go over the second example. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in that case, if I number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I start numbering from right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what did you find? On both sides, substitutions are occurring on the equivalent carbon. See, here also second and here also second. So in that case, from where should I go for numbering? So we'll go for, we give preference to the alphabetical order. So this is bromo, it starts with B. This is chloro, it starts with C. So we will not go for this, we will go for this. So for the second molecule, numbering will be done from right hand side. It will be 2 bromo and 4 chloropentane. So it is 2 bromo, 4 chloro. So please, these are very simple, but sometimes you make mistake. So remember. Now let's go for this. So it is chloro. See, this is alkene. Now, which will go for number? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So in case of alkene, what did you find? In case of alkene and alkyne, the preference for numbering goes to double or triple bond. So we have to give preference to the double bond, not on the substitution. Okay, so this is not correct. We'll go for this. Okay, so in that case, the numbering will be, name will be 3 chloro prop 1 in. The name will be 3 chloro prop 1 in. Or what we can write, because we know what 3 is reference to 1. So we can write now here 3 chloro. If it is more than 3, then we have to put number for double bond. You can write this or this. See here. So who will do the numbering? Will you do the numbering in this way? 1, 2, because we know preference has to be given to double bond. 3, 4, 5, 6. Or will it be like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one will do? See here. What do you call the rule? Lowest broken rule. Means you have to add the position. See here. If I go for this way, so 1 double bond starts from this. If I go clockwise, okay, clockwise, what will be there? This is clockwise, is this one. So double bond starts from first carbon, and the substitution appears on sixth carbon. So it comes to second. And if I go anti-clockwise, see here, it starts from, it is 1, and the substitution on the third carbon. So it's go. So we'll go for this. We'll not go for this. Just simple thing. Yeah. Only you to be little alert. So this will not be the number. We'll go for this. So now, what should I write here? 3 bromo. Okay. Now see, this compound is cyclic. So I have to write here now cyclic. How many carbons are there in the chain? 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is X. Then it contains double bond. So what should I write here now? 1 in. So the name is 3 bromo cyclo X 1 in. Okay. Now suppose. I think you may feel that I am giving more example. I am giving more example only for your entrance here. Because you have to appear so many exams for any type of admission now entrance is it. Now suppose it is like CL and BR. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So here again, what do you find? You have the substitution on the similar carbon. See 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Which comes alphabetically? Bromines come alphabetically. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please write the name. Please, every time name I should not write. So what will be the name?
3-bromo-6-chloro-cyclohexane.
Very good guy. 3-bromo-6-chlorocyclohexane. Very good. So now we'll be able to name. Okay. Should I go a little bit extra, if you don't mind, for your entrance exam?
Yes, sir.
Oh, say it is this, and this is this. Then the problem. Okay, see. First, let me tell you. This is only for your entrance. What will be the name here? In this case, you will do numbering from which side? So let us be little critical. So is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'll put the other number inside, okay? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was very small, you will not be able to see. See here. Again, we'll go for lowest sum group. So this is clockwise. Means I will go like this. So double bond starts from which carbon? If I start clockwise, see here. I give 1 here, na? 1 I have given here, 1. So do 1. Then you have a substitution also on the first carbon. See here. Double bond starts from 1. Substitution also starts from 1. So 1. Then this is the 6. So it is what? 8. If I go for anti-clockwise means I'll go like this. So double bond starts from 1. This you can see 1. Substitution starts on 2nd. Then the next substitution is on 3rd. So how much it comes? 6. So which one you should follow? This. So I'll grab it. So this will be our number. Hello, Abhijita. ইন্ডিয়ার খালকে বিকাল দিকে নাই তো আরে কালকে রাত্রে আমি তার অতবা ফোন করছি মৃদুল করে একটা ছেলে ইনস্টল করছে হে ফোন অফ করে রেখে হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ তো কালকে তো গুড্ডুর কাজে ভীষণ অসুবিধা হয়েছে আমার তো বিএসএনএল ব্রডব্যান্ড আছে আমি এটা ডিসকানেক্ট করছিলাম না ওইটাই দিয়ে কোনো মতে অফিস চালাইছে So it will be, you have to write alphabetically. So 3 fluoro, then 2 methyl. So write down now. Write down the name. It will be 2 fluoro. Sorry, 3 fluoro, 2 methyl cyclohex 1 ene. Okay. I think your classes in the school has already finished. No, today I'll take little extra, huh? Because if I don't do so many examples, it's difficult for you to do, no? অভিজিৎ দেব নোটছি এখানে জানাইছি তারা বলে কোন ফাইবার বলে খাটিয়েছে তারপরে আর ফোনই ধরে না হ্যাঁ তারপর তো কোনো মতে তারও বিএসএনএল ব্রডব্যান্ড আছে সেটা দিয়ে চালাইছে On the
কালকে
PS
রাত্রেবেলা এসছে তো হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ যাচ্ছে না।
তারপরে আমি এখন বিএসএনএল দিয়েও ক্লাস নিতে পারলাম না, এখন আমি আমার এয়ারটেলের
না
ইউজ করব।
জিওটিও এখন স্কাইপে পারবে তো।
See here, the problem starts here. Suppose it is like this, then how you are going to name? See, remember dear, this is a substitution. See, the name itself you have written substitution. And what is this? This is substitution on substitution. Okay, the substitution on substitution. So how to write? So in that case, see, is it not a chlorine on methyl? This is a chlorine on actual substitution is methyl. So what we are going to write here now? See, we'll write now here 3. I already told you how to write 3 chloro 2. Then we'll bracket will write chloro methyl. This chlorine is not on the main molecule. Chlorine is on the substitution. Because of that, I have to write inside bracket. Okay. So 3 chloro 2 chloromethyl. Cyclohex 1 E. Take care for your this exam. See, please remember, in NEET exam, you are supposed to appear 3 sets of questions: physics, chemistry, and biology. Biology, most of the students, they can answer well. Okay, then where they are going to distinguish? In the students who are appearing, they are generally not found to be taking mathematics. Many of you might have not taken mathematics in your class 11. Okay, so they do not set such difficult question from physics also. So NEET exam, chemistry is little more difficult than the joint entrance exam which is being held for engineering. So you have to be prepared for this type of thing. So name is 3 chloro 2 chloromethyl. Why you have to write it bracket? Because this is on the main chain and this is on the substitution. All right. Now I go for nitro. So it is CH3, CH2, CH.
আমি হার বলছিলাম
It is.
ফুলকপিও আছে।
So it is a functional group, but we will not consider the functional group. We consider it as substitution. So it is 1, 2, 3. What is the name? Nitro. Please write down the name now. It's very easy. Please write.
আর লাগে না কিছু। এদিকে সবার গ্যাস ছেলেটা তো কাজ করে।
Two butane.
এটা
2 nitro.
পেঁয়াজ দিই না।
This is pure. This is very good. So now you know it.
অল্প নিয়ে বেশি লাগে না। অল্প 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 নিলে অল্প বীজ অল্প গাজর দিয়ে একটা পেঁয়াজ দিয়ে একটু ভাজা ভাজা করে রেখে দেবে। ঠিক আছে, বেশি নেবে না, অল্প নেবে। এত লাগবে না।
Write the name of this?
হ্যাঁ অল্প একটু দিন, বেশি না।
You write the name. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bolo.
3-methyl 2-nitrobutane.
M Kun. I know. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like alphabet. Which comes first, M or N? Then, see, it is on second carbon. This is also second carbon. So should you not go in alphabetical order?
Yes, sir.
Then which will come first?
2-methyl 3-nitrobutane.
See, this is the way, because you already thought this is substitution, you should give preference to this one. So be little careful. So we have to go for this. So it will be what? See, this is methyl starts with M, this is nitro starts with M. So it is 2 methyl 3 nitro. ऐसा नहीं होगा रे, तुम लोग बुद्धि कमती है। हिंदी you understand? Hello? Do you understand Hindi? ऐसा नहीं होगा बेबी, मुश्किल है। Okay. So I'll not give more example with nitro because you know now how to name nitro. Okay, now we'll do an example with write the name of this. One thing you remember, whenever you go for a double bond is there, your numbering should go over the double bond. So you cannot start from here, 1 and 2. It has to cross the double bond. So you have to number it from here, 1, 2. So numbering has to pass over the double bond. So it is 1, 2, 3. All right. So write the name. Is that? All right. Now we'll go for ether. So what is ether? See, ether is not simple like this. You will find oxygen will be in the middle of the chain. Both sides you can say here it may be here R1, R2 may be same, R1, R2 may not be same. This is called ether. Okay. So let us see an example. Say it is CH3, CH2, CH2, O, CH3. So in ether, in
আর এইগুলো
ether, whichever chain has more number of carbon atoms is considered as main chain. See, this is having 1 and this is having 3. So this is our main chain. And we'll consider this is the main chain. And what we'll do, we'll consider this as a substitute. So what will be the name of this one? See here. It is having 1 carbon. So it will be MEEH. And for oxygen, what will do? For oxygen, you write here oxy. What will be the name? Name is methoxy. Okay. So what will be the name now here? See, this is, you have to number it now. 1, 2, 3. So what will be the name? So it is 1 methoxy. Then how many carbons are there? 3. No double bond or triple bond. This. So the name is 1 methoxy propane. Hey, whenever you finish, why don't you tell me that we have finished? Huh? Okay. Now suppose it is this. This is the most common ether we use it. See, here also you have 2 and here also we take. So you can take anyone as a main chain. Okay. So what will be, suppose this is the main chain. Okay. So if it is main chain, then this is what we'll consider this as substitute. What will be the name? How many carbons are there? 2 carbon. ATH. Oxygen is there. OXY. What is the name? Ethoxy. So what will be the name here now? It will be 1 ethoxy and this is ETH. I told you if you have 2 carbon, In that case, you did not number it because either it is one here or it will be here. So what will be the name now? It is called ethoxy ethane. Okay, now what is the common name? Common name is what? See, this side also you have ethyl group, this side also you have ethyl group. So common, we always call by this. This common name is diethyl ether.
Done, sir.
Okay. Write the name of this. জল দাও মানে সব ময়লা তারপরে মেইন জল What name you have written? Hello. Again, no response.
Propane.
Huh?
1,2
Tell loudly.
diethane.
Huh?
1 methane propane.
1
methane ox propane.
No. How come dear? This is a substitution.
so
This is also a
1,2 methoxyethane.
so 1,2. Then
Methoxyethane.
no. How many are there?
Why?
2, no? Is it not same thing?
Dimethoxyethane, sir.
Yes, it is 1, 2 dimethoxy ethane. 1,2 dimethoxy ethane. Okay. It's a very important organic solvent. Okay, now. Suppose it is this one. Sorry. Suppose it is this. Then what will be the name? So in that case, we have to go for alphabetical order. Okay. Why? See, this is ethoxy. And this is
বন্ধু আমাকে
methoxy. So you number it like this 1, 2. What will be the name now here? 1 ethoxy, 2 methoxy ethane. Okay, now see here. Suppose it is this. So what will be the name? Write down. Tell loudly. I cannot hear it. Hear you.
1-ethoxycyclohexone.
One ethoxy cyclohex 1 in. Good. Now, what is the name? So what is the name? What will be the name?
Two ethoxy,
Then
3-ethyl butane,
2-methoxy 3. Again tell. I could not hear it.
2-methoxy 3-methyl butane.
Okay. See here. This is METHYL. And this is METHOXY. See here. Up to this, 4 letters are same. Then O comes before Y. So in that case, preference will be given to this side. I don't know whether by thinking this one you have done or just like that you have done.
No problem.
So it is
Meghalaya number 2. From Wadi.
oh thank you, thank you. Beautiful. So did you before numbering, did you think all this just like that you have written? Hello? Do you confess? Hello? So did you think before writing this one? Hmm?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes, sir.
good. I'm very happy with you. This is the only good news before Christmas. That is, you have become mature. Okay. So today, so you don't have any class. So I'll take half an hour extra. So now we'll start with those functional group where we write it at the secondary suffix. Alcohol. Functional group is OH. IUPAC is OH. So say let us write this. In functional group, numbering is always done from the side of functional group. In case of compounds containing functional group, the numbering of carbon atom is done from that side from where functional group is nearest, irrespective of the presence of substitution carbon-carbon double bond or carbon, carbon, triple bond. So functional group is the supreme. So it is 1, 2, 3. So what will be this? SP, PP, WR, PS, SS. No substitution. So in this case, nothing is there. It contains how many carbon? 3. Now it is A and E. And functional group is all. No, we have to write the position. 1 all. Dear, O is a vowel, so this will not be there. So write its name. In secondary suffix, whenever you have a vowel, we have to drop the last E of the primary suffix.
Done.
Very good. To rub the board also requires so much of energy. I have become really old. अच्छा अभी तो लिखो अच्छा से लिखो गलती होगा तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा लिखो
Done, sir.
Okay, did you write? What did you write?
2-methyl propanol.
Very good girl. So it is this. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, why 2-ol?
Hey, see here. Where do you find? Which group is on which carbon? See,
Oh,
you
thank you.
number it. You should move from one end to the other. Is it not? Then you can find the longest chain. We're gonna start counting from middle now. If you cannot think that it starts from here, because you have to find the longest chain. Longest chain is the word root. See here, 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, which is the longest chain. So you can either write this. If you don't want to write like this, vertical, write like this. 1, 2, 3. Then is it not substitution? And on second carbon you have which group? Please write this. Hello.
Yes.
Hmm? Written?
Yes, sir.
What did you write?
Propan 1,3-diol.
What propan?
Propan 1,3-diol.
See here. When I write 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, diol. See, is it vowel? D is a vowel or what?
No, sir.
Then we will not remove this. It will remove like this. Okay. As D is not a vowel, so we are not going to remove E. So the name is propane 1, 3 diol. Okay. Suppose, see now you are becoming, I told you, you have grown up. Write the name of this molecule.
3 phenyl butane 1 ol.
1, 2, 3. 3 phenyl, na? Very good. Then what?
But 2N 1 ol.
But Yes. Very good guy. What is your name? Hello? Who told me the name? Hmm? So it is 3 phenyl but 2N 1.
বকুলেতে পেঁয়াজ দিয়ে ভাজলে তিনটে তো একটু একটু খেতে পারবে না? এটা স্কোয়াশ না ভেজে বকুলে ভেজে দিবি।
So this is the name. Okay. All right. So now you know how to write the name of the molecule. Very good. Please write the name of this. I'll do some change, because you know I'm very critical man. I think most of you have not seen me, except this one, Mallika. Most of you did not meet me. So I'm not a good man. Right. Write the name of this.
এইটা
Hey, Mallika. Mallika. Hey, Mallika. চুপচাপ না?
Yes, sir.
কি নাম কি? এত সময় পরে ইয়েস স্যার কুম্ভকর্ণ। What is the name? Numbering you have done from which side? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Very good. Again, you start learning ABCD. See here. If I number from clockwise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I do anti-clockwise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, in this case, which way I should go? If I go from this side, it's on second carbon. If I go from clockwise, it is second carbon. Alphabetically, which comes first? Methyl or nitro?
Methyl.
Then which way you should go for numbering? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Alphabet totally forgot. So it will be this. Be little careful. You don't have to be a scholar, na? Only little careful you should take because they are the same on the equivalent carbon. So it will be what? 2 methyl 3 sorry 6 nitro cyclohex ANE 1 all. Write down. Ah. Okay then. So today I'm finishing my class and wishing all of you Christmas. All of you Merry Christmas, and I shall be meeting you on 30th December 2020. Right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Merry
you.
Christmas, sir.
Welcome
Thank you, sir.
to you. হইলো শিবকে রাত্রেবেলা কিনছি তো একটু ভালো না হইতে পারে কিন্তু thickness খুব ভালো
ওরা তো বয়েল খায়, বয়েলের জন্য তো খুবই ভালো। ফিল্টারে জল দিয়েছিলি?
হ্যাঁ জল সব দেওয়া আছে।